Hi there, students. Finale, epilogue, postscript, appendix, and codicil. There are probably more words, but these will do. Okay, finale. The finale is a countable noun. It's the end of a show or the end of a piece of music, which is quite grand and lots of things happen. The final scene, the finale of the film, the finale of the show. This is the big ending. Yeah, what happens at the end? Yeah, or maybe you could have a series, and the last in the series is the finale. Yeah, it's what happens in the end. This is particularly common in a musical production or a theatre or something like that. They have a grand finale. So the ending, particularly of something dramatic, yeah, how it ends up, the final scene. Okay, an epilogue. An epilogue is something that goes after a speech. Okay, so an epilogue, a speech or a piece of text that's added to the end of a play or a book or a speech, and it normally gives a statement, a short statement about what happens to the characters after the play. This is like the Coda video I made the other day, yeah, or how the book actually finishes. Okay, so the epilogue, it's like an afterword, if you like. Yeah, it's a little bit at the end of something, particularly at the end of the play, yeah, or a brief speech or a brief piece of writing at the end of a literary word. It's like an afterword, yeah, giving maybe the author's interpretation of it or what happens to the people. This is the opposite of the prologue. Yeah, you could have a prologue to a book, what happens before. The epilogue, this is what happens after. Then you can have an appendix. Okay, an appendix is something that is attached. Well, you can have an appendix, it's one of your organs and it's attached to you. But an appendix, particularly a text or something written at the end of a book, which contains additional information. So it could contain the references or where you can find the things you need to do what's mentioned in the book. Notice the plural of appendix is appendices or appendixes. Both are possible. Okay, so two possible plurals for an appendix. Yeah, a separate part at the end of a book or a magazine, giving more information, giving additional information that you might need to know. Yeah, so the book talks about all of the teams that won the FA Cup, and the appendix lists the goal scorers and more additional information about each of those teams in that year, perhaps. Okay, now postscript, a postscript. When you write a letter, well, nowadays people don't write letters, and you sign it, and then, ooh, I forgot, and then you add something afterwards. That is a postscript. Very often you put P.S., P.S, postscriptum, yeah? So it's something that you remember in a letter after you've finished. Or also it can be something that is added to a book or a play or a story after the book or the play has been finished. So, ooh, something extra I really need to add. Postscriptum, a postscriptum or a postscript. Yeah. Now, a codicil. Okay, a codicil, this is a very legal word. I think technically in law, this is something that you add at the end or after you add to somebody's will. The will is the document that says what the person wants done with their things when they die. And a codicil is something that explains or modifies or even revokes the will or part of it. Yeah, and you can also use this, a codicil. It's like an addition or a supplement that modifies an official document. So the treaty was signed, and then afterwards a codicil was added to give further conditions, to give new conditions about it. Yeah, instructions that are added to the main part of a will or a treaty after it's been written. Okay, so these are all things that go afterwards. The finale, the last part of something, especially a play or a film, or is the big last scene. The epilogue, something that's added to the end of a play or a book. Yeah, a short statement like a coda that says what happens to the characters afterwards. Yeah, or what comes next. An appendix, something added with extra information, useful information that you might want to know. If you write a thesis, you will probably give an appendix with the where you can find the quotations that you've used within your thesis. Okay, a postscript or a postscriptum, something added after you've finished, particularly a letter, PS, I forgot to mention that, or something that is added or written after a book or a play when it's been finished and probably is on its way to the publishers or something. It's just something added on to the end. Yeah, as a postscript to the story I told you last week. The week after, they were all arrested. Okay, so something that happened afterwards as well. And then a codicil. A codicil's a supplement or addition to a will that changes the conditions, or it also changes. It also could be for a treaty or an official document. So, formality, finale, 5 in formality, use it anywhere. Comes from Latin finis, meaning the end. The epilogue. Okay, epilogue, I'm going to give maybe a 6.5 in formality, maybe even a 7. Don't use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation or a semi-formal writing or above. This comes from ancient Greek, epilogos, a conclusion. Yeah, the conclusion of a play, the conclusion of a speech. Epi, in addition, and legein, to say. So literally, to say in addition. Okay, appendix, this word comes directly from Latin. Yeah, formality of an appendix. 6.5 in formality, just about in a semi-formal conversation. Semi-formal writing, definitely. From Latin, from appendo, to hang upon or to hang on. And then postscriptus or postscript, from Latin postscriptum, postscriptus, post, after, and scribo, to write. And then finally, this word codicil, which comes from Latin codicilius, yeah, which comes from the Latin word caudex, meaning rustic, okay, or codex, a tree trunk or a book or a notebook. So I guess a note on the end. Yeah, okay, codex comes from caudex, meaning rustic or something like that. So all sorts of additions to all sorts of things. If you enjoyed the video, we've come to the finale, subscribe to my channel, give the video a rating, and I'll see you all soon. Finale, epilogue, postscript, appendix, and codicil.